What's going on, guys? So it's been a couple weeks that I'd never filmed a video. This evening, guys, I want to make a video with this two different speakers, which is my Marantz and my Studio Spectrum on the right and Marantz on the left. So this evening, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna test it. We're gonna test it out, the sound of the Marantz compared to the Studio Spectrum, guys. So these are my vintage speakers, guys, that I bought, and these are nice speakers, guys, that is hard to find. So let's start over here, guys. This is a Marantz. As you can see, there's two Marantz standing here like a tower, and these are nice looking piece, guys. It's wood finished, it's wooden made, very nice piece, as you can see. And we're gonna take this cover out so you guys can see clearly. So this is the three-way speakers, guys, from Marantz. Very nice finished, guys, and it's a mint condition. And I don't think I want to sell this speakers, guys, because it's a very nice looking piece. It's a beautiful speakers, guys. There's two of them, one on the top and one on the bottom. As you can see here, there's no damage, guys. Look at it, look at it. Very nice looking, and it's a mint condition, guys. And these are the mid speaker. It's a nice looking speaker. And another one over here, the tweeter. Very nice looking speaker, guys, so you can see. And on the left, guys, it's my stereo collections. As you can see, they're all there. Very nice Marantz, guys. So let's go over here. I want to introduce you to my audio Spectrum, not Studio but audio. Apologize for that. And it's a very nice speaker, guys. Very thick and heavy, so you can see, guys. So let's take the cover out so you guys can see. Look at it, guys, look at it. Very nice 18-inch woofer. Gigantic speaker, guys. Very nice looking piece. Amazing. And there's no way, even if you pay me $300 for this, I would not sell this speaker, guys, because you know why? These are very hard to find nowadays, guys. The brand Spectrum, it's a hard speaker to find nowadays. So you can probably get it online or eBay, but out there it's not easy. If you drive around and just look for it, it's not easy to find this kind of speakers nowadays, guys. And there's two of them, guys, one on the top and one on the bottom. So this evening, guys, what we're gonna do is we're gonna listen to the sound of this two beautiful speakers from Marantz and audio, yeah, Spectrum. So I connect this, guys, these speakers to my Lafayette receiver, and it's ready to play the tracks, and we're gonna listen to the difference, the different sound of these two different speakers right here, guys. So let's check it out, guys. So right now, these two speakers are playing right now. They are using right now, so you can listen to the sound of the Lafayette. Very nice sound, guys. Amazing speakers. So, guys, the one on the left, it's my Marantz, and the one on the right, it's my studio, or I would say audio, sorry about that, audio spectrum. So now we're gonna test the sound of these two speakers. Let's turn the volume up. So now we're gonna listen to the Marantz. Audio spectrum. Marantz. Audio spectrum. So guys, you heard the difference of these two speakers here. The sound of Marantz is totally different from this 18-inch audio spectrum, and you guys can tell which one is better. But these speakers, guys, are both good. They just have different sounds and different quality, how they throw sounds from speakers. So if you ask me which one I would pick the audio spectrum. It's because it has more bass. The sound quality is more like solid and clear, very clear, and it has three-way speakers from tweeters to mid and the woofer. So total is 4. So 4-way speakers, guys, compared to 3-way speakers. And as you can see, the build of the speakers is way better looking than the Marantz. But Marantz is a good brand. It has different sound and different build and looks. As you can see, the one on the right is more solid and more tougher than this Marantz. This Marantz is more classy. This one is more rugged, classy, rugged. But they have different quality of sound. They have different looks. They have different style. So let's listen to it again, guys. So that is the audio spectrum. Let's go for the Marantz. Let me explain, guys. Marantz is a good sound. It has good sound from the speakers. But the thing with this Marantz, guys, you have to turn the volume more higher than this audio spectrum. The audio spectrum, guys, throws more power than the Marantz. And when I put this volume to the master volume, the Marantz, you have to turn the volume more higher to get good sound. But the spectrum, even if it's slow or just volume number 2, it's already loud, guys. So I would say the winner here, guys, it's this the audio spectrum. But it doesn't mean the Marantz is not good, because they are good brands. They just have different power and different stability, and the engineer of these speakers, guys, they have different style and different sound quality that they want to provide for the speakers. So like I said, the audio spectrum, guys, it has more power than the Marantz. Yeah, so this is the difference between these two speakers, guys, but they are good brands, they are good speakers. So this is the video for this evening, guys. Just, you know, we're just testing the sound of the speakers, and a little comparison, I would say, you know, just to compare these two speakers here. So, but if I use my Marantz receiver for this Marantz speaker, it sounds amazing, guys, because I tried it before. It sounds amazing. And if I use that Marantz to my audio spectrum, it gives more better sound to the speaker. So Lafayette, guys, is a good receiver, but it doesn't level the Marantz. It doesn't, if you compare these two, it doesn't match, or the level of the Marantz is way higher than the Lafayette, but they are good receivers, guys. So, but the Marantz has more power and more stronger than the Lafayette. So Marantz, it's just amazing. It's my favorite receiver, guys. Number one favorite, Marantz, then Sansui, then Lafayette, Techniques, Pioneer, you know. So Marantz is way better than other receivers, guys. Unless if you compare the Marantz to Macintosh, then of course Macintosh is better than Marantz. Maybe, I don't know, a little difference, but Marantz it's a good receiver, guys. Even the integrated amplifier. So guys, you heard the speakers, the comparison of these two speakers from Marantz and Audio Spectrum, and this is the video for this evening, guys. And just want to share it with you guys and to you guys. So I would say thanks for watching, and I'll make a video again next time, and see you then. So for now, I would say arrivederci.